Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in this series. Well, a follow-up on the Marx Mercury. Just put a new motor in this. I got a motor that just arrived, pre-war, as you see, and I just dropped it into this Mercury shell. Now, I repainted this. This was originally red, and I picked it up for $12.50 at an antique store, and this thing was just absolutely trashed. Anyway, E-unit was dead in it, so I bypassed it. And it ran all right. 90% of the paint was gone. So anyway, resprayed it black, just put that new motor in there. I've got this on the original automatic coupler consist, as you see. So this consist is in really, really decent condition. One-way automatic couplers, really, really good original condition, as you see. Anyway, I just put that new motor in here, so let's turn the power on. It's going to be its first trip around the rail with its new motor. Let's see how this runs. As you see, that is absolutely purring. It's smooth, it's quiet. This runs really, really well. Anyway, as soon as I saw that motor, I knew what I was going to do with it. So dropped it into this Mercury shell. As you see, it looks nice. It runs splendidly. $12.50 when I bought this thing. So it runs forward and reverse with no problem at all. Like I said, as soon as I saw that motor, I knew what I was going to do with it. As you see, up and running. So I got to oil the wheels so they don't look so gray. And other than that, this is complete. I've been looking for a really decent motor to drop into this shell. And when I saw that one, I thought, if I can get it cheap, it's the perfect choice for that Mercury. Anyway, I got this motor for $11. And nothing wrong with it. All it needed was a bit of judicious tweaking and cleaning, of course. But as you see, this is running really, really well. Forward and reverse actually runs quite well. So pulling that consist at about 30% power with no problem at all. So like I said, I've been looking for a motor to drop into the shell. And this one is in really, really decent condition. So I'm really pleased with this. It looks nice, looks almost new. The nickel is all original. I did respray the shell, of course. Like I said, this was red, but 90% of the paint was gone. And I've always wanted a black Mercury. The black with the nickel dome front, I think, is quite striking. Anyway, it looks nice. It runs nice. It was absolutely dirt cheap. So just drop that new motor in there, and we are up and running. So I'm really pleased with this. It looks absolutely spectacular, I think. It is really smooth and quiet. And it's an original Prewar motor. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. You know, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. There was nothing wrong with this motor that a bit of cleaning and lubrication didn't cure. It is up and running just absolutely perfectly. So I'm going to oil the wheels so they're not so gray. And this is complete. I'm going to keep this one. So anyway, it's a really, really decent Marx Mercury. All assembled out of parts, of course, but even so. As you see, it looks nice, it runs absolutely perfectly, and it was absolutely dirt cheap. $12.50. Really difficult to beat that by anyone's standards. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.